You need to hear this if you're tired of boring diets. We all know the struggle of trying to lose weight while feeling like we're stuck eating the same bland meals day in and day out. It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you that you don't have to sacrifice flavor for weight loss? I swapped just 7 foods and the weight started dropping. Let's dive in. These swaps are not only simple but also delicious, and they can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. First up, swap out regular soda for sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon. This is a game changer. Regular soda is packed with sugar and empty calories which can sabotage your weight loss efforts. You still get the fizz, but none of the sugar. Plus, the lemon adds a refreshing twist that makes it feel like a treat. It's a small change that can have a big impact on your calorie intake. Next, ditch white bread and try whole grain wraps. White bread is often stripped of nutrients and can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. More fiber, more filling, way less guilt. Whole grain wraps are not only more nutritious but also more satisfying, keeping you full for longer. Fill them with your favorite veggies and lean proteins for a balanced meal. Craving chips? Grab air-popped popcorn instead. Chips are often fried and loaded with unhealthy fats and calories. It's crunchy, fun, and way fewer calories. Popcorn is a whole grain and can be a great source of fiber, making it a healthier snack option. Add a sprinkle of your favorite seasoning for extra flavor. Trade creamy salad dressings for salsa. Creamy dressings can be high in calories and unhealthy fats, which can add up quickly. All the flavor, zero regret. Salsa is low in calories and packed with flavor, making it a perfect alternative. Plus, it adds a nice kick to your salad without the extra calories. Swap ice cream for frozen Greek yogurt with fruit. Ice cream is a classic dessert but can be high in sugar and fat. Trust me, your sweet tooth will thank you. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, making it a healthier choice. Top it with fresh fruit for natural sweetness and added nutrients. Instead of fried chicken, go for oven-baked with crispy seasoning. Fried chicken is delicious but often cooked in unhealthy oils, adding unnecessary calories and fats. You won't even miss the grease. Baking chicken with your favorite herbs and spices can give you that crispy texture without the guilt. It's a healthier way to enjoy a classic favorite. Finally, switch sugary cereal for oatmeal topped with berries. Sugary cereals can lead to energy crashes and are often low in nutrients. Instant energy and way more filling. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber and can keep you full throughout the morning. Add some berries for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Try these swaps for a week, you'll be shocked at the difference. These small changes can lead to big results, helping you feel more energized and confident. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick tips. Stay tuned for more easy and effective ways to reach your weight loss goals without sacrificing the foods you love.